New year, everyone. Wow, 2022, what a messed up year. Hence the lack of videos, but I won't get into details why. But bring on 2023 this morning, about to go pick up Smurf, and we're gonna head out in the tinny, try for some squid, bit of a fish, maybe a bit of a spearfish, snorkel, look around, see what happens. Yeah, that's about it, eh? All right, let's get into it. Yeah, mate. I know, we're at our first drop. Somewhere in the Fleurieu, I won't say exactly where. Those of you who know the backdrop will know where. Yep, let's try for some squid, Smurf. Yep. We were told if we don't catch anything, don't come home. Which, either way is good.
So we're just throwing sinkers into the water.
What do you got, redhead or? Oh yeah,
Full
Caspi.
whitey, yep.
Caspi. I'm using a green Yozuri. Righto. Yay.
There's one there.
Oh shit. Get in.
Take it small.
They're the best eating. One right there. Try not to spook him. Oh,
You're on.
he's on. Oh, he's doing what they were doing the other day.
Yeah, cool. Having a side chew. Yep. No. Tentacles are too small.
Little bugger. Here he goes. Oh,
I reckon we'll pull it just before it
they've
gets to it.
been mutts. Come on.
Oh.
First one. Got him? Smurf's on. Don't get him. Oh no, he's dropped it. First round's on you, bro. Can't get over how clear it is. Oh, get him. You on? Yeah. Oh, jeez.
Not bad size.
Bloody good. There you go, change of spots, starts firing instantly. A little bit deeper.
That's the one that dropped.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Yeah, righto.
Sit down here. So.
You're lucky you come back then.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, no, that's a fish. Bait. Got ya. Got in. They're on. Yeah. Oh. Sorry, Oddy. Oh, you suck! I'm hungry! Oh, yuck! Pwah! Think yourself too. You? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, people shit. Oh, stunning. Check this out. Crazy is that? Got in? Yeah. Well done. Ain't losing this time. You. Yeah, buddy. Don't do a surf. No! Smurfy's on again. The old death grip. Yeah. Sweet as. Well, I think that's it from us. We're gonna go in and cook some of this squid up. It's real hot, so see you back in there. And just as I was winding in, I got one more. You! Oh mate, that's dinner, lunch, everything. Where's his friends there? Big boy. Yes. Now Smurf's on again, we can't leave.
The squid gods are letting us go.
That. Calamari King. You. Don't lose him.
Dog. Only a little one, but it'll do.
Oh, there's tastiest. Oh! Got the minions working. Just throw it on the table.
You good?
Cheers, bro! Chili. Oh no, she won't eat it, will she? Fry time.
Good guy.
Sweet.
Not me.
Getting up, you Danos. Smurfer.
That's off. It's pork, isn't it?
Good. Fresh from the sea.
Fine for bills.
Wait, guys. What's up?